A robot revolution is dying. The company that put a robot in 50 million homes worldwide has less than 2 weeks to avoid bankruptcy. iRobot, the maker of Roomba, just announced it has only $25 million left in cash and zero sources for additional capital. The deadline? December 1st, 2025. Let me show you how fast this collapsed. In 2022, Amazon agreed to buy iRobot for $1.4 billion. That deal would have saved the company, but regulators blocked it. Senator Elizabeth Warren and the FTC opposed the merger, saying Amazon shouldn't be allowed to buy its way into the smart vacuum market. The deal died in January 2024. Since then, iRobot has been desperately searching for a buyer. And last month, the final remaining bidder walked away. Stock price crashed 30% in one day. Here's what's happening now. Revenue dropped 24.6%. The company lost $17.7 million last quarter. They're burning through cash so fast that CEO Gary Cohen admitted they have ongoing production delays, market headwinds, and shipping disruptions with no solution in sight. But here's the scary part for Roomba owners. If iRobot goes bankrupt, your robot vacuum will still physically work, but all the smart features? Gone. No app control, no cloud connectivity, no software updates. Your $900 Roomba becomes a basic vacuum that just bumps around randomly. This already happened. Robot vacuum competitor Neato shut down in 2023 and pulled their cloud services this month. Thousands of robots lost their smart features overnight. iRobot owners can face the exact same fate. And it's not just about one company. iRobot was the last major American player in consumer robotics. Chinese competitors like Roborock, Ecovacs, and Dream already dominate the market with cheaper alternatives. If iRobot falls, it marks the complete end of American leadership in home robots. The company that pioneered robot vacuums in 2002 now has 12 days to find a miracle. 50 million Roomba owners are watching. An entire American robotics legacy hangs in the balance. Check myrobot.shop for updates on this developing story. The future of home robotics just got a lot more uncertain.